It's sad when I see people lose their motivation or enjoyment for drawing, especially when they think their drawing's not good enough, maybe from comparing themselves to others or just not seeing the progress they expect. It's normal to feel this way, but it's important to not let this stop you from enjoying your drawing. Let's talk about it. And thank you to those of you who supported my labors of love, Pen and Ink Drawing Simple Guide, and the Pen and Ink Drawing Workbook. Thank you. When all a baby can do is roll over, it's precious and we enjoy it. When they can sit up, when they can crawl, when they can walk, when they can run, when they can ride a bike. To see each phase gives us joy in a different way. The same in drawing. If you're at the crawling or walking stage, doesn't mean you don't enjoy it by comparing yourself to those who are running. When and if you get there, right? Still enjoy where you are. It's important and just fair to yourself. Drawing is a very intimate experience, and ultimately we do it for ourselves for a variety of personal reasons, be it for creative expression, communication, therapy, whatever. It's your experience. So if you can barely draw a house, a tree, a dog, a cat, a stick figure, for God's sakes, who cares? Keep doing your wonky drawings anyway, as long as you enjoy doing it. Enjoy the process. Amuse yourself. That's what it's all about. Now, it doesn't mean we shouldn't strive for improvement. Of course we should. But don't consume yourself or fixate on what you can't do. Find fun in what you can. I hope this gave you some inspiration to not beat up yourself to where you lose motivation, don't want to draw or have fun doing it. The nicer and more forgiving we are to ourselves, the better space we'll be in to be our best. Oh, and the usual, before you forget, like the video, comment, subscribe, share, just to show you appreciate the content and want me to keep creating more videos for you. Thank you. Okay, everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. Just a little pep talk for those who needed to hear it. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next video.